Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Since we are almost in the autumn season, so I decided to make this beautiful floral fall theme based nail art, and the color combination that has been used while creating it really has my heart. So if you want to know how I created this, then please watch the video till the end. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful. This design was not entirely my own idea. I took the inspiration from one of my nail art buddies on Instagram. I will be sharing the details of her page in the description box below. So do check her out. She makes some amazing nail art designs. Thank you so very much for tuning in and watching the video. Bye bye.